Hey, Joel here to tell you all about this. This, my friends, is the cheat. The cheat turns something that's already in play into a completely hidden and innocent peak device. The reason why it needs a bit of room is because you're going to draw a picture, alright? And that picture that you draw, make it something really simple. And it's perfect for mentalists and magicians. The cheat is ideal for revealing playing cards, pictures, numbers, words, symbols, and so much more. The thing that makes the cheat different is not only how you secretly obtain information, but how the device completely vanishes. The cheat can easily be brought in and out of action whilst you're performing whenever you want. It is completely under your control. The cheat is not a gimmick playing card box. It's a peek tool that connects to your box whenever you want it to. There's no suspicious wallet, no unusual envelope, and no obvious device introduced to steal information. When you need it, it's there, and when you don't, it's gone. The audience see a packet of playing cards, but you see everything. The cheat puts you one step ahead. The cheat has been handmade and they're all made to last. I know that because I make them myself. Okay, and do me a favour, hold your card out just like this. I'll get rid of the pen. For now, I'll place that into my pocket and place the card back somewhere into the actual deck for me. If you would, go for it. Anywhere you like, just slide that card in. Okay, and then we're going to close that up as well so you can see that your card is well and truly locked in there somewhere. I also include a video tutorial that shares all of the details for the cheat. These details include the subtleties, the methods, all of the tiny details and nuances that really make the cheat a powerhouse of a tool that you absolutely need and, more importantly, will use. With most peak devices, a lot of thought goes into making them look like natural objects. The cheat is different. It doesn't need to look natural. Why? Because it already is. The secret is hidden in something that was never suspicious in the first place.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yay!
There you go, a flower. Well done.
Oh, well done.
I'm Joel and this is the cheat. When you need it, it's there. And when you don't, it's gone. A successful experiment. There you go.
How did you do that?
Oh. Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yay.